so many times whenever I try to speak in English, I don't get ideas to speak in English. मुझे समझ में नहीं आता कि मैं क्या बोलूं. I get stuck. मैं रुक जाता हूं, मैं रुक जाती हूं. मैं क्या करूं? Hi guys, I'm Subhash Kartik. As you know that I help people to speak English fluently, correctly and impressively. Hi guys, I'm a communication coach for last 10 years. Today I'll tell you, how to speak English fluently with the help of idea generation. Please understand, this topic you will never find it anywhere. How to speak English fluently with the help of idea generation. I'll give you a wonderful example. Please stay till the end if you really want to be expert in English communication. Okay, let's talk about this cap. With this cap, what we can do. Suppose if I have to speak in Hindi, मुझे हिंदी में अगर बोलना हो कि इससे हम क्या क्या कर सकते हैं. Okay, let's try this. इस कैप से मैं पेन को बंद कर सकता हूं. इस कैप से मैं सीटी बजा सकता हूं. यस. इस कैप से मैं अपना टाई में क्लिप लगा सकता हूं. Okay. What else? Please understand. When I'm speaking in Hindi also, I'm getting stuck. मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि मैं कैसे बोलूं इसको. I'm getting stuck even in Hindi language. Even I'm doing like क्या होगा और guys, that doesn't mean that I'm not fluent, and it is absolutely okay. Yes, it is absolutely fine if we get stuck, because this is not a language problem, this is an idea generation problem. इस चीज को अच्छे से समझे. ये लैंग्वेज की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है that we always get stuck, we don't know what to speak, हमें आइडियाज ही नहीं आ रहे. So guys, हमें आइडियाज नहीं आ रहे what to speak. So the problem is idea generation. Problem is not language. Every time, do not blame your English language. हो सकता है आपको इंग्लिश की प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. You have a problem of idea generation. That means if you improve your idea generation capacity, you will be better in English. You will be fluent in English. So today I'll tell you how to speak English fluently, confidently with the help of idea generation. Please understand, this is amazing and I really want that you should definitely do this. Okay, for example, let's talk about the same thing, the cap of a pen. When I want to talk about the cap of a pen, I'm thinking, I'm using my mind. Okay, I'm using my mind. Now if I think from a technically and biologically biological angle, we have two brain. One brain is left brain and one brain is right brain. See guys, हम लोग यहाँ सीख रहे हैं कैसे अपने आइडियाज जनरेशन को बेटर करेंगे so that we can speak without any kind of resistance. I can speak English fluently और आइडियाज कम ना पड़ जाए, because जब आइडियाज कम पड़ जाते हैं हम तब भी रुक जाते हैं, right? So our left brain is a logical brain. It talks about this is right, this is wrong. But our right brain is creative brain, imaginative brain. It tells lot of things which are imagination. For example, I can use as a pen cap. This is logical or this is imaginative. This is logical, यही तो होता है. I know that we can use it like this, but I want to generate more ideas. But if I think from a logical background, I will not be able to find more uses of this cap. But if I use my imaginative brain, I will say, yeah, this cap I can use as a whistle blowing equipment. Yes, even sometimes I can put water on it, and if I am thirsty, I can have water on it. I can use as a tie clip also. Yeah, I can put like this tie clip. Please understand, I am focusing on idea generation, and you can only generate ideas when you use both of your brains, left brain and right brain both. Because when you use both the brains, you will have more points to say. आपके पास ज्यादा points रहेंगे बोलने के लिए. उसके बाद after when you have lot of points, then आप सोचो कि मैं क्या बोलूं क्या नहीं बोलूं. But just by using your left brain, I can know only one idea, that is I can use as a pen cap. उसके बाद क्या होगा? मेरी बोलती बंद हो जाएगी. I'll not be able to speak. और वो हमारी इंग्लिश की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, वो हमारी आइडिया जनरेशन की प्रॉब्लम है. So guys, next time. And you can do this for improvement of your fluency also. If you really want to be fluent, every day I told you, 7 minutes you have to give for 90 days. You take anything and you talk about that particular thing for 7 minutes and use your left brain and right brain. Again, I'll say this, the same thing, the pen cap, the right brain use. I can throw somebody and hit somebody. Yes, it is a right brain thought. I can play as a catch also. Yeah, it is an imaginative thought, right? I can play as a bat ball. I can use this as a bat. I can use this as a ball. The thing is that I should keep speaking. I should keep speaking. I should keep speaking. This is important if I want to be fluent with the help of idea generation. So guys, whenever you want to speak in front of public, forget about that also. Even जब आप fluency की practice कर रहे हो, when you are practicing at home and you are practicing how to speak English fluently, 7 minutes, you can take any equipment and you can speak. Yes, you can take anything. Suppose I can use this as a paperweight and every day I'll speak on this paperweight for 7 minutes. Okay, this is a paperweight. We can use as a paperweight. This is a left brain thought. There's nothing imaginary. I wish this paperweight becomes so big. I'm just imagining. Guys, there is a small globe in front of this. I wish I'm living in that globe. I can go to any areas. I'm generating ideas. So friends, today we have come to know that encoding is very important. That is idea generation. I think and I speak. I think and I speak. So you do the idea generation with the help of brain, both the brains, left and right, and you will see you will always have ideas to speak. So guys, these are the different ways we can improve our English communication and we can be fluent and confident in our life. And yes, if you really want to join our 5-day workshop, yes, we are organizing 5-day live workshop. If you really want to attend, the description, check the description, you will find the link. And please do subscribe this channel to see some more tools and techniques by which you can be a fluent speaker. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.